most marketers deal with their own feelings. So they put out stuff that they feel looks nice.
Yeah.
And that's a big thing as well. Can you talk about that a little bit from your viewpoint?
Yeah. So most of the people create a marketing piece and they come to the manager or to the executive or to the owner and they ask him, does he like it? And if he likes it or if she likes it, then that's the marketing piece. But the problem is that this manager or this business owner have too much of this stuff. He doesn't want to buy that. Those people that wants to buy it are different than him. They don't have that stuff. They want that stuff. So he wants to give the stuff and they want to get the stuff. So the people that want to give away things have a different viewpoint than the different that want to get things. People that just finish to eat don't want, you don't sell them more food. Best marketing for a supermarket will be to convince people to go to the supermarket hungry. If I was marketing a supermarket, I would convince people to go hungry.
Yes.
If you go hungry, you buy the whole supermarket. Yes.
So true. 100%.
Viewpoint is different. So the viewpoint of the manager, he is full. He doesn't want more. So what he likes is not what they will like, what hungry people want. And how do you establish what your market want? Is survey, 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 survey.